guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's spread is going to be from April the 2nd through April the 8th, and let me show you what we're going to do. This is inspired by the old movie Duel with Dennis Weaver starring in it, and then it's just him and a big semi-truck. It is so good. So I picked this paper because the truck is very rusty, and it is a thriller movie, and it is very, very good. And then I picked this, and it just reminded me of the blacktop road that he's on with that truck chasing him. And I made my own stickers, and then I'm just going to be using a black pen. So let me take my paper out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody loved the Wonder Woman theme. I really loved it. Okay, let's cut our paper. I've decided that I want this to be the dominant theme because it reminds me so much of that truck. It's just so rusty looking. It's really amazing how it's just Dennis Weaver and this rusty truck throughout the entire movie, but it is so good that it keeps you just right on the edge of your seat. He's an excellent actor. And you never see the truck driver, but yet it's very, you feel like you know him. Okay, let's start to lay our paper down like we want it. But this is a great movie. Very suspenseful. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. I think this is going to give us a really good feel for this movie. And I bought this washi and paper at Walmart. Oh, I think that's going to give us a really good feel for this movie. So let's start putting our washi down. Oh, I love it. And I like this washi. It tears very nicely. Oh, that's so awesome. That really gives the feel for the movie. Okay, so here's the stickers that I made. This is just the one for the truck, showing that the movie was going to come. And then here is when it all first starts. He's a traveling salesman, Dennis Weaver is. And he gets behind this truck on this long, empty 2-lane road. And then this all starts to unfold when he passes this truck. So I don't want to tell you too much about it in case you want to watch it, but let's just say the truck follows him, harasses him down the road, and tries to kill him constantly. And here he is in the car looking back over his shoulder. Now, some of these pictures may look a little dark, and I hate that, but that's just how they were. And then here is the truck parked beside of a diner when he thinks he's gonna maybe get off the road for a while, let the truck past him. And then the truck pulls over, so you know that the driver is in there somewhere, and it shows all these different drivers, but you never know which one is the driver. So here he's sitting there in a booth thinking to himself, what should he do? So he tries to start talking to the different drivers, and that just makes things worse. And then here the truck almost runs him off. Almost runs him totally down while he's not looking. It's just constant, the truck chasing him and him trying his best to get away from it. And he even stops at one point to try to call the police, and that just totally doesn't end up doing very well. And then the truck's behind him again. And then you can see his car. I got that one a little crooked. And then right here, he's just scared totally to death. And then down here, he comes up with an idea that maybe will work, and you can see how destroyed his car is. And then right here, the truck and the car goes over the edge, but I won't tell you how it ends, just in case you want to watch it, but I think it really looks good. I'll just write a few things I need to do. Okay, we're going to put it back in my planner and take a look, but I think it looks really cute. Well, not cute, scary. But this is the feel for the movie. Being totally chased by a homicidal truck driver is totally scary. And then I went ahead and printed out a bigger picture of just the truck coming around a corner chasing him, and I've just punched holes in it and then cut around it so it would fit my happy planner, and that is how it turns out. I absolutely love this spread. It is gorgeous. The truck looks a little crooked because he's going around the curve, but this, I love this paper. It is beautiful for this. I mean, it really looks like a rusted truck with somebody's mind that is just so out there in it. But I love how this washi turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.